Unexpected guitar. I feel like I'm doing this. Maybe that way.
försökte komma in med bilen, det var ju liksom. Så nu är den på söder så tänkte jag så här.
I don't want to probably.
Chill, chill. Chill music.
And my brain was like so wired.
Today was funny, you know, we came to this restaurant and the barman and the waitress, they were talking to me, not to my friend. It's like we came and she was talking to me, like, because the most probably me who will understand her from that how I look like, you know, but actually they were responding her and she's like straight to like, and I was looking at her like I don't get anything. But yeah, so I'm matching with this all, to be honest, matching with, to this city, definitely. Oh, this is, let's go to the water. It should be some beautiful lights. Let me just go and check. Wow, there is also some attraction, park of attraction and stuff. Thank you for following. Stis Troop, welcome. Hello, how are you? Hello. Spend my whole time, I see. Really? Nice. Nice to meet you. It's beautiful. Oh, so many lights. That's nice. I just want to see the view. Maybe for the from here. Nice. That's cool. City is beautiful. Yeah. I feel like like I want to go to this. To the water. Ah, it's a sluice. Ah, that's where I will come tomorrow. Okay. Got it. Cool. So now I know where to go. There's some weird statue. How beautiful here. Tomorrow we will go there. We'll try to reach the place. To the attraction park? No, we will not go already. But we will go. Oh, it's still going. Maybe we could take it. No, at night I don't feel like at night. Now I recognize where you are. Sorry, don't mean to sound creepy, but I bike past that road every day for work. Ah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. There are also some music spots in Stockholm. I don't know what I have made. Chewing here at night. Greenland, it's a lot of fun. Yeah? I'm from Australia. When I hear ferry, I think of something like the size of those boats. But in Estonia, when someone says ferry, they mean something with at least 6 levels. Wait, let me see. Cunif, hello! Thanks for following me. Hello. They mean something with at least 6 levels and 2 car decks. Nikali, hello. What's up? Wow. Are we outside? Well, yeah. Oh my god, people, why? God. This train is meant for introverts like me who don't like to go out. You don't? I really. At least I have the feeling I was somewhere. Enjoy, enjoy. Hello, I travel in Sweden. Yes. Hello, hello. Bishop, hello. Sir. Welcome. How are you? A friend of mine had parents that owned an apartment pretty close to where you are. I'd have to sell 2 of my kidneys and one you have to afford them. Oh my god. Yeah, I can imagine the prices here. Not bad, slept super early today. I see. Alright, I think. We'll be heading slowly to the city. No, we'll go out from the old city and maybe we'll still go. Last point is like some beautiful metro station now because I really want to see a few at least. And I saw so far only one. Beautiful. And from there I will be a lot of good food in the old town area. I'll bring you to Stockholm. Well, I always wanted to go to Scandinavian countries, and I got the chance to travel to 2 of them. Basically, it's Denmark and Sweden, and plus I always wanted, also so long already, to see my friend. She lives here in Stockholm. It's my school friend. I didn't see her for 10 years. And she went to Sweden, I went to Portugal, and we didn't see each other. And she always wanted to come to Portugal, and she cannot, and I cannot come here. So finally I was like, okay, you know, let's do it. Especially, I wanted to do that before winter comes and it will be cold. So I was very lucky to have this weather, you know. Oh, sparkling water, I'm so sorry. It's good that it's not that... Oh, you know, it is true. You know what did I try today? That ugly, that fish, your fish. Did you ever try that? Surströmming? That's what you call it. Did you ever try that? Interesting, because you are Swedish. Interesting to know your opinion. Yes, I have. You are a brave soul. I ate some a long time ago. You did? You did, guys? Yes. But we went to the nature, and the nature kind of was a little bit cutting of this very bad smell. Like, it was a bad smell. But it was like, I think half of that if you open it at home, for example. The smell is honestly not too bad. The texture of it was what almost got me. Oh, really? The texture. The texture. No, for me the hardest was the taste. Also, not even a smell. No, smell was bad, but taste was disgusting. A friend joining us for a late snack. No, I'll just be going already. We have a whole thing with tune broth, potatoes. It's actually quite good. The smell after opening is what I have the hardest time with. Oh, yeah, the opening and how it was like smoke, you know, around. But again, we were in the forest. And that was like the smell of the forest. A little bit was covering, you know. Taste-wise, I felt it was just really salty. Exactly. Same here. Like I felt so salty. It was like disgusting salty also. Like it was just like a salt. Has been some years, so I'm not so 100% sure anymore. Yeah, it was super. Like anchovies, yeah, anchovies are good. Anchovies are good. How did I come here? How did I come here? Is it close already? I think already. I don't know how to feel, 'cause I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday. Don't know how to feel. Oh, have you been walking around for 4 hours? Might be jelly. Really? After 4 hours? Oh no, I feel like I was walking so little today, so little. Not usual for me. This day, one of the least walking day in my entire, I don't know, year. I was not even walking today. I was in the car all the time. I was in the car. My friends told me, where do you want to go? It's like, I don't know, like anything will be good for me. And they want to impress me. Like people, I remember also we went to another, like this woman, like people when they want to impress you, they take you, it's closed already here, so I need to go around or something. Oh yeah, they closed it. They take you with a car somewhere all around. But for me, it's a little bit like not my style, how I would explore things. But also with the car, you see a lot of things. But then you just a lot of time in the car, and that this is not my favorite style of spending. Okay. This is what should happen. So it should happen because it's already closed. This is closed. So I should go this way. But if not their car, I would never see that part of the place I saw today, so it was beautiful. I can walk about 30k steps, but I get blisters if I walk that far. We go 1 kilometer every 10 minutes. Nah, for me it's very little. Today I just walked maybe half of that if I would be just exploring myself. This way. Why it shows me Google in some show me different. 100 feet me west was hiking shoe, but Meryl don't remember the exact model. Really just made for careful. Yeah, by the way, I'm in a hiking shoes. So I made the hiking shoes. Now I have a different hiking shoes. So now just spare time, you can get a drink with your friend at Himlen and Met Borgar Plassen, tall building with a view of all of Stockholm. Is that like there's elevator or not? Because I were in that elevator. I was in that elevator with some bars on the top. Is that the place? You have this song stuck in your head, I hear. Yeah. Guess something in her head and likes to pass them to us. So what to do? You also do that. Elevator, visible on the top, a little loud music, but yes, I've been there. It's the first where I went straight away, and there was sunset there. We got it. Yes, thank you. No, tomorrow we were fully exploring a lot of things. I have in my mind already so many things, and it will be on the last day.
My brother did
Yeah, so far we saw a night in Stockholm. Wow. I think I'll do 20k steps tomorrow. We have expired. Yay! Bishop, let's go! Is that the opera place? It looks like some theater. The theater, I remember the name now. The theater. And what is this with the green crosses? And this. Discovered my watch some time ago, so I should watch now since all the notifications are on me. Government building, I see. I see. This whole area is where our parliament work. Oh, nice, I see. Interesting. Ukrainian job. Okay, Albania, nice.